Savi, who gave it?
I bought it. Mama.
Then it will take you a long time to get used to him, Savi.
No, he still films with me, Mom.
Really?
Yes, it's true. Hello, I'm tired. Say something, will you? Me too. Give me the food first. But I just bought you. It takes a while to serve food. Then return me. I'm hungry. Oh my god.
Dhoni, where are your shoes?
I saw one is under the bed.
I got it. Then what about other?
It must be playing hide and seek.
Uta? Vikun? Why didn't you do your homework? Hey, can't you hear me, huh?
Yes. Did you say something?
Yeah. I asked, why didn't you do your homework?
I checked a while ago.
Checked? What? I asked about your homework.
Yes, I know. But how can I do?
Why?
Because my pen was asleep.
Come, do your homework.